How to fix failed call issue on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you on how we can fix failed call issue in Android device. So let's go on with the process on how we can check but before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So there may be certain reasons why a call might fail on an Android phone, including a dropped signal, the recipient not accepting calls, or the caller's number being blocked. So in order to fix that issue, these are the process you may follow in order to do that, or these are the method I would like to say. So the number one method you can apply is simply restart a device. Simply click on a power button, hold it, and you will be finding a restart option on your screen, which may fix your temporary glitches that is happening on your device. Other than that, you may just check your network. If you have a good internet connection, make sure you're in an area where the network is available and the airplane mode is off, and you can also check for your network outages if it is available. The next thing is you can look up for your software updates. For that, you may just head over to the main settings of a device and look up for about phone section, where you'll be finding update information about your devices. If any kind of update is available for your device, make sure you have updated your phone to the latest version. The next thing we can do is reset your network settings. So in order to do that, you may just head over to the main settings again and directly go to the search bar for that and type in reset network settings, and you'll be finding the option called reset network settings here. So just go ahead and click on reset network settings, confirm it, just click on it, confirm it, and then it will erase all of your saved network settings and resolve your problems caused by incorrect settings or corrupted network files. The next thing you can do is check your SIM card. For that, you may just hold on your SIM card if you want, and you may just check if there is any kind of problem with the SIM card. There could be a problem with your phone SIM card, so you may just try taking it out from your device and again put it in and restart the device after that. And even if that doesn't help, then you can just directly contact your carrier, who will try helping you fix your issue of your network in your SIM. So that's how you basically fix the issue of call failing on your Android phone by following those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.